Okay, friends. Today I will discuss your animal tissue. Animal tissue in class ninth. Animal tissue are four main types in as per CBSE syllabus. I will teach you as per the based on the revised CBSE syllabus. Some students are telling to last so many days कि sir why are not teach twin cells because you have the pandemic era. I will teach cell also, but cell you have read already in 8th class. This first we will finish this chapters, after that we will start twin cell. The animal tissue are four main types. They are epithelial tissue, means muscular tissue, connective tissue, and nervous tissues, means animal tissue. Don't think I will not teach your cell, then class. Animal tissue. And how many types are the animal tissue? Epithelial, muscular, and connective nervous, means epithelial, epithelial, muscular, connective, nervous. Four types of tissues. Four types of tissues found in animals. And in epithelial tissue, epithelial tissue are different types of the some squamous structure, columnar structure, cuboidal structure, and glandular structures. Means epithelial structures then are of different types. In muscular tissue, they are striated, striated, and cardiac. The connective tissue are different types: blood, bone, ligament, tendons, cartilage, areolar elements. Means nervous tissue consists of the nerve cells called neuron. I told you every times your neuron is not working, so that's why you have to not concentrate. Then neuron consists of the nerve cell called neurons. In animal cells, animal tissue, that epithelial cell tissue, means squamous, is four types of the animal tissue, that epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue, and nerve. After that, they have to study epithelial tissue is the epithelial tissue is the covering of protective tissue in animals. Means epithelial structures, our body skin also is protective tissue in animals. It forms outer covering like skins. Outer skin, our skin is called epithelial structure, means protective outer covering of organs. Inner lining of the blood vessels, lungs, esophagus, it protect to body and controls the movement of material. Means epithelial is a skin, outer layer, outer protections. It is the, then after that they have closely arranged in the surrounded with the body parts of the fibrous basement structures in cuboidal, in lining the support of the different structures. In how to predict, they have to simple cuboidals in structures like this epithelial. Epithelial structures having to like this different structures to having simple polymer, simple cuboidals, and other structures. In second of the muscular tissue helps the movement of the body. In consist of the, means this is movement of the body, movement of the body. one function you can remember. First is a skin outer part, second is a movement of the body, is contain a protein called contractile proteins. It is having two contractile proteins, contractile which contact to relax in contracts, which contact to help the movement of the body. In muscles, different means this is having two proteins in contractiles, in globulin. They have two muscles which do not under our called involuntary muscles. After that, we have to see the skeleton muscles. Smooth muscles means skeleton muscles in smooth muscle. Cardiac muscles also in cardiac muscle, in heart muscles, in interskeletal disc of the here is found muscular to cardiac muscles. And after that, connective tissue. Third is a connective tissue. Connective tissue connect the joint, the different part of the together. The cells connective tissue loosely packed. The space between the cells are filled. Means connective tissue is a RBC and WBC. Here mainly connective tissue RBC. You know in 8th class already study in RBC and WBC means red blood cells and white blood cells. Means is found where? Found in connective tissue. Connective tissue is a blood contain the blood matrix called plasma, which contains red blood cells in RBC, in white blood cells in WBC. The blood transport gases, digested food movement in bone. A connective tissue also found in where? Is bones. Bone is a hard and strong tissue. Hard and strong tissue consists of the cells which embedded in ligament, tendons, areolar tissue, and the adipose tissue. After that, different in bones is required. Whenever you are told calciums required, some calcium disorders will happen containing hard matrix of the calcium and phosphorus. Frame and bone framework of the body means this is very important. Connected in animal tissue. First is epithelial, in muscular bone. Bone is a main whole body of the structure. Some bones is a big, strong. Some bones is a small, is strong. After that, we have to discuss about components of the blood: neutrophils and eosinophils, basophils, and lymphocytes, different white blood cells and red blood cells. The ligament and tendons, you know where ligaments and tendons are found. Ligaments in our tibia and fibula, and tibia fibula structure in our leg, skeletal muscles. Tibia fibula, radius or ulna structure is found in hand. There is a joint couple, means there happen to joint ligament bind two joints, mean joint. Whenever in the wrist joint like this happens. In nervous tissue are helps to carry messages from one part of the body and another part of the response to stimuli. That's why I told you be active for whenever you are learning, because you are reached to 9th class. This is not your 8th class to enjoy. You concentrate your mind. Nervous tissue helps to carry message from one part of the body to the other, respond to stimuli, and it is found in the brain, spinal backside, and cord and nerves. It consists of nerve cells called neurons. Means this is very important. Sometime in asking your exams also, what is nervous tissue, in explain with diagrams. So then I will explain these things. In nervous tissue, means nervous tissue helps to carry messages from one part of the body to other. Nervous tissue means message, just like message, one part to second part, one part to another part in body. means in other parts of the body. Message is sending in other part of the body with stimuli means if you have feel to someone has attacked to our nervous system is we have said to in neuron it consists of nerve cells called neuron. It consists of nerve cells. It consists of nerve cells called neurons. Means nervous tissue is having two neurons. You be active with neurons, otherwise you have to nervous system is your weak. In has a cell body, nerve cells means neuron is a cell body has a containing nucleus in cytoplasm. Neuron is having two nucleus in cytoplasm. Nucleus and cytoplasm you have studied already. Nucleus is a main center for the genetic information in transfer to one cell to another cells, here one generation to another cells. Here is found in nucleolus, nuclear membranes, and genetic materials in chromosomes also. In cytoplasm in cells, cytoplasm in cells they are kind to nucleus. It has hair like structures. Hair like structures means like this hair like structures in nervous systems, in nervous tissue, like this happens some things. Is like this happens. In cell body in axon whenever attached to an axon is called a nucleus also found to here. Nucleus there axon terminals in structures. Axon terminals structure found in your NCERT books. There you can see also how to write these things. And then here dendrite and axon having two nerve endings called axon and dendrite. Neurons are joined together to form nerve fibers. The junction between two neurons is called synapse. Means the junction between two neurons. The junction between two neurons called synapse. Okay, friends. Then this is animal tissue is finished. Thank you.